Check out the all-new Jeep Gladiators at Oliver C. Joseph. Rest assured, this Mopar lift kit passes federal safety tests where aftermarket parts may not. It's also covered by the Jeep factory warranty. Going doorless? Don't worry. Secure your belongings in the lockable storage area under the rear seats. The Gladiator keeps you connected with all 3 Uconnect systems available. You know it's engineered for strength. This rugged all-steel 5-foot cargo bed is perfect for all of your towing, also with integrated tie-down loops that can be adjusted. With the proven 3.6-liter Pentastar V6, you're not going to have a problem going anywhere. So come on in today and check out the Gladiator. See you soon!